What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, it's a beautiful Pennsylvania day. Yeah, we got some clouds, but it's like 60 degrees. So to start today's video off, I think the Golf R needs a good wash because I've only washed this car like once. I've never waxed it. So we're gonna give the car the old Vosh wash treatment. Make sure you guys check them out. Use TTR Garage for your code to get some discounts on them. And honestly, it's a good product. So we're gonna give the Golf R a quick bath, and I got some exciting stuff to show you guys. This car, 100% easier and better to clean than a black car, because if you miss a spot or your wax isn't all the way in, you really can't notice because it blends in. So 10 out of 10 on detailing this kind of car. Also, since I'm detailing, I might as well take this stupid sticker off that we have right here, because I hate stickers on cars and this thing just bothers me. So we're gonna change that. I'm forever thankful for companies who use high quality stickers, because that came off super easy and left no residue. So I'm happy with that. I don't know why people put stickers over their cars. Like, I got two. I got my Instagram handle and like my branding, but besides that, I don't know. I'm not a fan. So recently I was on the internet and I miss my BRZ dearly. And I just looked up the VIN number and I knew that the dealership I sold the car at didn't sell the car, and I knew they'd have a hard time. So here's the thing that I found, because, well, I found my car on Craigslist, and I'm going to, I'll put up the pictures on there, but I found my car on Craigslist, and in going through the description, I found some things that, well, were a little bit sketchy with it. When going through the description of my old car that I found, some things definitely caught my eye. The first one they said was light tinted glass, and I don't know what they consider light tint, but that had 12% tint on it, and that's not the lightest tint I've ever seen in my life. They said the tires on the car were 215 45 R17s with summer performance tires. And that's not true at all, because those tires were 18s, they were 255s, and they were 35 Rs, but they do have the summer tires, so give them some credit there. They said it's got a wing spoiler, even though it has just a little ducktail on it, so you can go either way with that one. They said it has low tire pressure warnings, and unless they put them in, that car didn't have them, so that's another lie I found. They stated that the XXR wheels were custom for the owner of the car because they were red, but I bought them off the internet, so that wasn't true either. I guess any kind of wheel that doesn't belong on the car is kind of custom though. Give them a half point there. And they're also saying that everything on the car, all service records, are available for request, and they have all of them since the car was at 0 miles. And that's not true at all, because I did all my own service. So how do they have records for service that was never even done to the car? Because I did them all and they were never done in a shop, so they weren't recorded. So I'm at a point of seeing all these lies, and it is my car, and I found it at a dealership. So I kind of want to call them and see how much they're selling the car for, and seeing what else they have to say about the car. So I'm kind of curious now. So we're gonna hit them up and see what they say about the car.
Thank you for calling. This call may be recorded for quality assurance.
Hello? Hello? They hung up on me. Why'd they hang up on me? So my prediction is that they're gonna have a hard time selling this car because it does have a lot of mods on it, and they just freaking hung up on me. I didn't even have a chance to say anything. Huh, I guess we'll try again.
Thank you for calling. This call may be recorded for quality assurance. Good afternoon, this is Tower Correct. I'm help you, ma'am.
Hi, I saw a BRZ with red wheels on your website, and I wanted to ask a few questions about it.
Oh, that actually just sold, but we have a few other vehicles that we could take a look at.
Oh, it just sold.
Yes.
Oh.
An hour ago.
Oh wow. Do you know what?
Go quick.
Do you know what it sold for?
31.5.
Oh wow, 31.5. Okay, I just was curious about that one.
Oh, okay.
All right, thank you so much.
We have some other Subarus if you wanted to take a look.
I know that was the only one I was interested in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
Alrighty,
Thank you. So apparently the car sold for 31.5. That's more than I bought the car for. I am shook. I want to find, guys, if you live in Virginia, because that is where the car sold, if you guys find this video and you live in Virginia and you know who just bought my old car, please contact me. I'm so curious about it. 31.5 is one more than I spent on the car. It has a bunch of mods done to it. I'm surprised someone would pay that much for it. I'm like shocked. So if you guys know who bought my car, please contact me because I want to find them and I want to talk to them. Had clapped out teen suspension and it was fully tuned. It has an exhaust. It's a beautiful car, but I want to know who bought that for more than a new BRZ costs. I have so many questions. Well, this video turned out a little bit differently than I wanted it to because I really wanted to ask them a few questions about the car to see what they were going to say about it, and they didn't. We'll have it anymore, so I guess we can't really ask those questions. So I'm gonna leave you guys off here. So comment, like, subscribe, keep doing the fun stuff, keep doing you, stay motivated. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out and peace.